Hop into the 2023 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, keyless start, satellite radio, alarm, multi-zone AC. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.